welcome back to my channel. So don't mind the beautiful music. So I want to talk about when they can manipulate and play and use you and mooch off of you. Now they want to be your friend. Now they love you. Or they want to copycat you. That's what they do. Yes. So as I said, welcome back to my channel. I don't know who's going through this, but Spirit told me to get on today, even though I was going to relax. And we're headed to the beach right now. So let's talk. So in the past, I had fake friends. You know, we all have them in high school. We all have those mean girls. And, you know, I looked a little different than I do now. So I was skinny on the track team. Everyone was sleeping with everyone and having babies at like 15 and 16. Meanwhile, I'm like going to school, coming home, getting whoopings and doing my work and all this crap. But anywho, the fake friends. So then when I grew up, I met like even worse people. But you know, since I was on my mission, I already knew what I was doing. So I'm supposed to let narcissists and let people like try to be in my energy so my angels could upset their demons. Basically, that's what you do. You know, when people don't like you, that's because they see something in you that they know they don't have. They know they can never compete, so they try to copycat you. They try to be your friend. They try to say, oh, I do this, I'm spiritual. Like my ex, like all of a sudden want to post that he's spiritual. No, he's not. He don't even believe in God. Like, bruh, he don't even believe in God, and he go to church. Like, come on. That's why I told you, these people, they go to church, they don't believe in the same God. They want to lie to you. Don't be fooled. But you know, people be fooled because they like it. Let me tell you something. The paradigm, just like my last video with the empath and narcissist paradigm, that whole whatever's going on there, that's been going on for centuries. That's nothing new. I'm just speaking on it because that's what I'm supposed to do. Be a whistleblower, feel me? So y'all can wake up for the people that still sleep, because people love to sleep. You know why people sleep sometimes? Because they don't wanna do the work. They don't want to grow. They don't want to stop being in their ego. They don't want to stop feeling themselves, and they don't want to commit to who they supposed to be and what they supposed to do. They just want to live this life and die and come back and do it all over again and like be stupid. And you know, they sign these contracts and they try to basically block the path of like light workers. They basically are jealous, and they'll basically, even the ones they marry you because they want to hold you back. You know, I saw yesterday in the park, it was so sad. This girl was walking with her boyfriend, whatever. Obviously he was a narcissist, and he was drinking, and she was walking behind him with her head down, like she was so embarrassed. Like, ma, if you ashamed to be with this joker, then leave him. He's not holding you. Like, that's what people fail to realize. Nobody could hold you hostage. You're in the street, you could run, you could call the cops. Like, bruh, these people choose to be abused. If you want to stay there, like, you could leave. They have shelters, they have places that help people. Like, we got so much help in the shelter, it's not even funny. Like, I got my house, I got everything I needed. Like, listen, stop with the lies. Like, please, people be on food stamps, on welfare, and they don't use the system for their advantage. They have first-time homeowners, shops, workshops. You could do it. People don't want to do nothing. That's what it is. You don't want to do nothing. You want to live in the projects, live on the government, and die and pass it on to your kids. Like, why would you want to pass that curse on? Like, come on. But anywho, we're not talking about that. That's another video. But when these people can't manipulate you, when they can't play you, then basically they try to join you, but they can't, because they don't have a soul. You can't be with someone that's godly and you're ungodly. You understand me? Like, it can't happen. I don't care. You people, y'all sleep with each other and you make these toxic kids because you're toxic, in toxic relationships, and you basically continue that cycle. I don't care if your kid is bad and in jail or died or got killed or whatever. Sometimes a kid will get killed because they wasn't supposed to be there. They was not supposed to be born, and you forced it. You forced the universe because you had sex. And obviously when some people do it, It's that one time that the chromosome works and it connects, but sometimes it's not supposed to. And when you're really strong and you really have a purpose, it never does. Like, you will never get pregnant by a narcissist. You will never get pregnant by that cute guy that you think is so fine, that cute pretty girl. She's so bad. No, she's a demon. She's evil. He's evil. He's doing witchcraft. He's doing dark magic. I don't know what they doing. They do all kind of spells and they think they doing something. They ain't doing nothing. They not doing nothing. All they doing is bringing it back to themselves. That's why they tell you, do unto others as you want done unto you. Because when you do something, like if I say I want somebody dead, they're gonna die. But I don't say stuff like that because I'm not having that bad karma come back to me. Feel me? If you're gonna, all I say is I tell my angels or I tell my ancestors to do what they're supposed to do. And I call justice. I am justice. So I call it. I will call justice. If I don't like you, it's because you got demons and I don't like them. And basically, they're threatening my peace, and I'm going to call justice. So you're going to lose your house, your car. You're going to lose your money. Everything's going to happen to you that is supposed to happen because I call justice. So if you're trying to avoid it, it's coming. It's coming, honey. It's coming. It's already here. It's knocking at the door. Because if you're friends with me and if you think you were snaking me, it's not going to happen. Please, all that stuff is over. And you know what's really bad and sad? That I be good to people and they still try to play. Like, you still trying to play me? How are you trying to play me, boo-boo? But you're trying to be like me. You want to dress like me. You want to talk like me. You want to walk like me. You want to wear the clothes I have. Like, listen, heifer. It's never gonna happen. And men, they all here, they want to sleep with me, but they want to be me. How? That's stupid. That's ignorant. First of all, a man can't compete with a woman. You know why? Because we're women. We are what gives life. We bring life. We give life to the earth. Women, all of them, even if they evil, they have a womb. They can create life. Hello, a man is nothing. What the hell? First of all, men always want control, but please, let me tell you something. It was all women anyway. That's what they don't want to tell you. It was all beginning and started with women. Y'all want to, even if you go back to the Bible days, you see how they try to manipulate homegirl that was Jesus's wife, talking about, oh, Mary Magdalene was a hoe. No, she was not. First of all, please, she was the one talking scriptures, and she was the one helping Jesus and helping him do it. But it wasn't even Jesus. That wasn't his name. Because that name, that J letter, wasn't created before BC Christ. I'm not even going to get into that. His name was not no dang with no J. So stop. I'm not even, that's why I don't say it. I say God. If I want to say something else, I'll say Horus. Because Horus, the all-seeing God, that's it. That's the name. A H. Anywho, so let me show you. H. Do the alphabet. H-I-J-K. So that's like 3 whole light years before the letter J. Come on now, let's be serious. Anyway, so when they feel like they spell work or they stuff is not working, then they start to try to, oh, I want to come to your house. Don't eat nothing for nobody. Let me tell you something. Don't eat nothing. If you leave something open, even water. These people are so wicked. They put stuff in your food. These people put period. These people put women. These people will cook food and will put. That's why when I go meet somebody, the first thing I tell them is I'm vegan. I don't eat that. I don't care. I don't care, because my spirit gotta feel you, and my daughter, her spirit gotta feel you. And I don't care. A baby could smile, a baby could look at you, but if a baby don't be feeling you ever and she go to somebody else, that's because there's something in your spirit, in your soul, that's dirty. And if it's dirty to a godly soul that hasn't been touched by nothing negative, because my child is full of love and she hasn't seen nothing wicked, because I don't put that in her presence. So even if we see something, if I'm driving down the road and I see something bad, I turn left. Hello, I don't care. To the left, to the left. Now my thing is, y'all beware. Don't eat from people. I don't care if it's family, because that's the worst. That's what, you know what family is? It's here for a lesson. People that's bad in your family, those people are demons. They here to teach you how to love yourself, and they trying to show you like you're not loving yourself. That's why they keep on doing what they doing. They walking all over you and they telling you what to do, and they treating you like you dirt, because they know that you have something in you, that you're supposed to do something and you're better than them. So you came out different because You are better than them. Right, Chunks?
Yeah.
Look at her. Hi, Chunks. Hey, pretty. Okay. So, anywho, like I said, y'all, be safe, protect your energy. Don't be out here with these fools. If you know somebody's using you, get away from them. If you know somebody is trying to play you, leave them. That's it. Just leave. Just leave, because you're the bigger person. Trust and believe it. And don't go back. Block them. Delete the number. Get a new phone. I don't care what you do. Anyway, y'all be the reason someone smiles today. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.